In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add hashtags to Facebook Reels. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the home page. At the top right, you're going to find the plus icon. Click on that. Different options will appear. Select the option Reel. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video that you're going to upload as Reel. After you select it, from here you are able to edit your reel. You can add audio, text, effects, stickers, and once you are done, click on the option Next. On the screen, you will see the caption box where you can add a description for your reel. Tap on the description box and at the bottom you will notice an option for hashtags. Select that and now you can type in the hashtags you want to use. You can add multiple hashtags to increase the reach of your content and help more people discover your reel. Once you have added your hashtags, take a moment to review your settings and when you are ready, hit share. Your Facebook Reel now be posted with the hashtags included, making it easier for people to find your video. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.